Hey guys, what is up? It's Ash the Cat, and today I'm excited to try out this new product called Hexskid and give you my honest review about it. Hexskid strips are going to provide that extra protection to the undercarriage of your car, and it's also going to prevent scrapes and scratches without affecting the aerodynamic performance of your vehicle. Although my Subi isn't that low to the ground yet, my city has uneven pavement, huge potholes, sometimes there's even debris in the road, and I really don't want my front lip to scrape. Installation is a breeze and will take you no time at all. You clean the area where you're going to stick the Hexskid strips and then just pull off the backing and stick them on how you want it. You can also customize them by cutting to make sure they fit. I honestly love these strips. You can't see them unless you're on your hands and knees on the ground trying to see them, but if you're standing up looking at the car, you're not going to notice. I love how easy they are to install, that you can customize them by cutting them, and they are made in the USA, y'all. Keep a lookout for another video. I'm also going to be installing these Hexskid strips on my dad's 2013 Mustang, and I can't wait. Now I can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that my front lip is protected from anything on the road. Thank you, Hexskid.